If you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett. You must have heard this famous saying, right? In today's time of rising inflation rates and stagnant income, it becomes cardinal for individuals to find some extra source of income generation. And working on any online earning site is one of the most preferred ways among the youth and experienced. The reason why almost every other person is working on enhancing their digital skills and online personal branding is to generate some extra cash. If you are a student preparing for GOVT exams, housewife, or even a working professional who wants to add some extra digits to your monthly income, then you should positively work on online earning websites. But then another question arises is, which websites are genuine? No worries, in this video, you are going to know about the top 6 trusted online earning sites. So, keep watching till the end. Why should you have an additional source of income? It is important for individuals to maintain a side income, as it helps diversify your earning capacity and helps us to achieve financial freedom. People can use their side income to spend on things like house repairs, vacations, better quality of education, etc. Life can be a bit unpredictable sometimes, and having a side income can help you in times of medical emergencies or job loss. Moreover, with a side income you can also start saving up more and retire early to live a quality life afterwards. How can you generate income online? Making money online is no child's play. It requires effort, time, and energy to upgrade your skills to eventually achieve your financial goals. But in case you're looking to start somewhere, the internet has some wonderful resources. The internet in itself is a crazy place. It has the solution to almost every modern-day problem. Whether it is learning a craft, selling a product, or educating people over a topic, anything and everything can be found in a single click. Therefore, it might be inferred that there are many ways of generating income online through online earning websites. Blogging, affiliate marketing, online surveys, freelancing, and podcasting are some examples to mention. You can readily get your hands on these on the online earning site. These are nothing but websites offering you a chance to earn money through them. How does online earning site work? There are several online earning websites like Meesho, Upwork, Zerodha, Amazon, etc., which one can use to earn online money. All these websites are unique in their ways and help the users in earning online money, some by providing services and others by providing products. And because of their unique selling points, all the websites are popular among people as a good method to make online money. Number 1. YouTube. People are making millions using YouTube. There are tons of YouTube channels on various topics. It can be thus inferred that is one of the best online earning sites options. How much can you earn? It all depends upon how much traffic you can attract. But don't worry, you can even make money using the platform's ad or by getting sponsored posts. YouTubers earning more than $100,000 rose by 40%, and earning 5 figures rose by 50% in the past 3 years. But choosing a certain niche to base your content on is crucial if you want to be successful. Hence, try and make such videos which your viewers would be interested in, or they are relatable to the masses. Number 2. Google AdSense. It is one of the easiest ways to start earning online from home without any initial investment. What do you need? A blog page, website, or YouTube channel. It is an advertising program, for which you can register for free. Once registered, you will get a code that you can add to your website. How Google AdSense works. Select the type of ad you want to appear on your website. Choose the placement of these ads. Have the highest revenue-generating ad. Go live on your website. Start generating a reasonable side income with the help of Google AdSense. There is no upkeep or maintenance to get this thing going, which makes it a no-brainer if you have a website already. How much can you get from this online earning site? Google pays out 68% of their AdSense revenues, so for every $100 an advertiser pays, Google pays $68 to its publishers. So, you can earn a decent amount of money depending on the traffic. However, it should be noted that your ultimate payment received is based on the traffic your site gets. It may happen that your monthly paycheck may be more in a particular month as compared to others, as you might have received a lot of website traffic that month. Number 3. Amazon. It is the most trusted online earning site, in trend, and leading e-commerce websites over the globe. It has a huge variety of items a consumer can choose to buy, and a huge variety of options for sellers to sell. To start selling on Amazon, you just need to register for the seller account. Once registered, you can upload your products, and that's all. What all things Amazon takes care of for you. Delivery and logistic part are taken care of by Amazon itself. Trust is taken care of. If the product is present on Amazon, 88% of people say they are likely to buy it. Additionally, you can make money through their affiliate program, which allows you to make a decent income by advertising or selling other products. Because it is a very large e-commerce platform that millions of potential customers visit each month, the possibility that the product will be purchased is also high. Amazon is one of the most sought-after online earning sites. Number 4. Digital market. Due to the increasing use of social media and other online options like blogs, YouTube, etc., digital marketing has increased rapidly over the past years. Digital Market is an online earning site which provides a platform for the buyers and the sellers of the services related to digital marketing. It also helps in eliminating the middlemen, thus empowering buyers and sellers. There are many services present on the platform to buy or sell online, like affiliate, marketing, blog, content writing, etc. You can check out the services on the website. Number 5. Upwork. Upwork is a global freelancing online earning site trusted and used by millions of users. It is one of the most genuine online earning site options to start and earn a high-paying gig online for their skills. One can even land a full-time job, as this is one of the most trusted websites by managers. The big-sized project with a high budget is present on the website, so you can earn a significantly higher amount of money online. It has around 5 million registered clients. Vast varieties of projects are present, and you can select the project related to your skill and get the work started. Number 6. Shutterstock. It is one of the best stock photography websites to help monetize your photography skills. Photographers can upload photos for free. To go with this platform is quite easy and quite profitable over time. Copyright to your creativity is retained. For every download your stock of photos gets, you receive a royalty, which results in an increase in your profits. In case you do have the right skills, which would help monetize your photography, you can always check out the Shutterstock website, which is one of the best earning websites to help you generate an online income. Well, there you have it, folks. The top 6 online earning sites to help you generate that extra side income in 2023. We hope you found this video insightful and packed with value. If you're as excited as we are about the endless possibilities of online income, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family who could also benefit from these opportunities. And remember, success in the online world often requires dedication, learning, and perseverance. So, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep taking those steps towards your financial goals. For more in-depth guides, tips, and updates on all things online earning, be sure to connect with us on social media and visit our website. Your journey to financial freedom is just beginning, and we're here to help you every step of the way.